Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be doing the loudspeaker battery drain test in the Poco X3 device. The Poco X3 has the dual stereo speaker setup, and plenty of users they did ask me how is the battery while playing in the loudspeaker test. So right now I decided to do that kind of battery drain test video, and my upcoming video will be on the Fairfire battery drain test while using the 4G and with full brightness. So make sure to stay tuned for that video as well. So here is a stopwatch ready here. Let me show you the battery percent, how much it is at the moment. As you can clearly see, it's 100% of battery, and during this time I'll turn off the Wi-Fi, mobile data and other type of connectivities. So only the music player, default music player will be used in this test. And for more details about the wallpapers what I'm using in this video, try to check the playlist of the Poco X3 smartphone. In the Poco X3 you can find so many videos related to this kind of test. So I uploaded plenty of videos, and make sure to follow the playlist regularly for more details, tips and tricks and hidden features in the Poco X3 device. So let me open the music player application here. As you can see, the music player has been opened, and I'll be playing this audio file in a loop continuously. I'll be using with a full 100% volume during this test as well. So let me start the test by selecting 100% volume, and during this time even the phone screen will be locked. So phone will be locked during this playing the music. So let me start the stopwatch and disconnect. As you can see, full screen volume I am using right now. Again I'll be back after 1 hour of playing the music continuously in the Poco X3 device. So let's see how much the battery will be drained. As you can see friends, it's been exactly 1 hour of continuously playing the loudspeaker in the Poco X3 device. As you can see, battery dropped to the 95%. So overall for 1 hour, if you play in the loudspeaker mode in the Poco X3 device, the battery will be dropping by 5%. So this with the screen is in turn off mode and not using any Wi-Fi or any 4G connection. This is just the default music player I'm using. So maybe if you stream the music using other applications, maybe the results might be different. So if you want me to do that video, I'll try to do that video as well. So while using any other streaming applications in the music only. So this is the overall quick battery drain test while playing the loudspeaker in the Poco X3 device. And the main reason why I'm doing this video, because it has got the dual stereo speaker setup, and most of the people they will prefer to use this kind of volume using the loudspeaker, and they need to know how much the battery will be drained. So it's not too much friends, 5% for 1 hour, it's pretty good deal. So you won't be playing continuously for 5 to 10 hours, even though at least you will play for only 1 or 2 hours maybe in the loudspeaker. So maybe that battery might get drained close to 10 to 12% during this 1 hour and 2 hours time. And thank you for watching this video. For more interesting videos, make sure to check the links in description, and don't forget to check the wallpapers as well for the Poco X3 device. And see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.